260.
Trapping non-predefined Oracle server error. Trapping non-predefined Oracle server error. Declare, associate, and reference. Declarative section re more declare and associate more rahibo, and reference re more exception section rahibo. Name of the exception, use paragraph exception init, handle the rest exception. Right. The description non-predefined exception are similar to predefined exception. However, they are not predefined as PLSQL exception in the Oracle server. They are standard Oracle error. You create exception with standard Oracle error by using the pgram exception underscore init function. Such exception are called a non-predefined exception, right? जमते हमें काली जमते हमें पढ़े थे जे predefined exception जोटा कि तमरो माने exception आसी परिबो जमते not data not found हो रो exceed हो तो ए सबु जिंस मोर होची predefined exception जोटा कि मु exception keyword through रु मु ताको handle करि परिबी जदि से एक्सेप्शन रिलेटेड जदि मते जदि किछ एरर जदि न शो कला एक्सेप्शन न आसला त अदर रे मु जोटा रखुची सेटा मोर एनालाइज हे जिवो बट ता छोडा जेता मोर ता व्यतीत आउ जदि किछ एरर जदि आसीबो सेटा आसीबो मोर नॉन प्रीडिफाइंड एरर एक्सेप्शन रे मोर सेटा आसीबो you can trap a non predefined Oracle server error by declaring its fast. The declared exception is raised implicitly in PLSQL paragraph exception underscore init tells the compiler to associate an exception name with an Oracle error number. This enables you to refer to any internal exception by name and to write a specific handler for it. Note that pgram also called pseudocore instructions is the keyword that signifies that the statement is compiler directive, which is not proceed when the PLSQL block is executed. Rather, it directs the PLSQL compiler to interrupt all occurrence of the exception name within the block as the associated Oracle server error number. कल से एरर नंबर उड़ा देखिलो एरर लिस्ट उड़ा non predefined error trapping example to trap Oracle server error 01400 cannot insert null तो declare कला से गोटे e underscore insert underscore exception पे गोटे declare कला then pgram exception underscore init function use कला से इतरे से exception रो नाटा को पास कला then तार कोड टा को पास कला begin insert into departments department underscore id department name values तार पास कला 280 and null तो ए जो 01400 रो मीनिंग होची कोन null value को एक्सेप्ट करबो नै एटा एरर तमरो आसीबो तो एटी से null value से पास कला तो exception when e underscore insert underscore exception then dbms dot underscore output dot put underscore line insert operation fail dbms underscore output dot put underscore line SQL RAM right तो ए जो एरर टा जो नाटा आसला ए एरर टा कहा को होल्ड करिवो तमरो ए वैल्यू टा को ए एरर कोड टा को होल्ड करिवो तो ए एरर कोड रे मोर कोन डिफाइंड अछि जे नल वैल्यू एक्सेप्ट करिवो नै इन केस तमे जदि नल वैल्यू एक्सेप्ट करूछो ताले तमको से ए मेसेज टा शो करिवो बुझला
यस सर
non-predefined error trapping example. The example illustrates the 3 steps associated with trapping a non-predefined error. Declare the name of the exception in the declarative section using the syntax exception exception keyword more rahibo. In the syntax, exception is the name of the exception. Second point is that associate the declare exception with the standard Oracle server error number by using the program exception underscore init function. Use the following syntax: program exception underscore init exception error number. In the syntax, exception is the previously declared exception and error underscore number is a standard Oracle server error number. Reference the declare exception within the corresponding exception handling routine. For example, the example in the slide tries to insert the null value of the department underscore name column of the department table. However, the operation is not successful because department underscore name is a not null column. Note that the following line in the example, dbms underscore output dot put underscore line SQL ERM, right? The SQL ERM function is used to retrieve the error message. You learn more about the SQL ERM in the next few slides, right? Next subsequent slide manager.
Yes, sir.
That's it. Function for trapping exception SQL code returns the numeric value of the error code, right? जो error टा आसो तार numeric value को represent करे पे SQL code तमरा अछि. SQL ERM returns the message associated with the error number. तमरा जो आमे जो पूर्वटा जो example देखले हमरो message जो pass कले जे execution fail करके से message टा show करे ता से तो तारा error number टा भी show करे. सेटा होचे SQL ERM. Message plus तमरो error number टा भी error code टा भी तमु show करे. But SQL code रे code टा show करे. When exception occur, you can identify the associated error code or error message by using two functions. Based on the value of the code or the message, you can decide which subsequent action to take. SQL code returns the Oracle error number for internal exception. SQL ERM returns the message associated with the error number. SQL code description is that returns the numeric value of the error code. You can assign it to a number variable. SQL ERM returns character data containing the message associated with the error number. So it is the SQL code de SQL code रे zero जरे तमु शो करूची ताले तार description कोन अछि no exception encounter. Zero जदि शो करछि ताले exception नै. जेमते हमें जो तळे C C++ जेता एक्जिक्यूशन करूचे किंबा जावा जेता एक्जिक्यूशन करूचे सेठी देखिबो जावा जेता एक्जिक्यूशन करूचे हमें नेटबिन्स रे तळे देखिबो हमर एक्जिक्यूशन रे प्रोसेसिंग चालुची. धर प्रोग्राम किछ लिखचे एक्जिक्यूशन प्रोसेसिंग जदि किछ एरर जदि नै सी कोन देखुची जीरो एरर फॉर्म तळे देखुची नै तो जीरो होची एक्सेप्शन एनकाउंटर माने एक्सेप्शन किछ नै. 1 फॉर यूजर डिफाइंड एक्सेप्शन +100 नो डाटा फाउंड एक्सेप्शन. Negative number, another Oracle server error number, right?
Yes, sir.
Function for trapping exception, declare color, error code number, error message, varchar to 255 characters जाने जाउची काना हम जेतरा डाटा का पास करछो कोनसी कैरेक्टर पास करछो किबा कोनसी फाइल रो ना दोछो किबा फोल्डर रो ना दोछो एटलीस्ट तमे 255 कैरेक्टर जाय तमे देई परिबो से फाइल रो ना किबा से फोल्डर रो ना ताठो अधिक से नबो. Begin exception when other than rollback error underscore code SQL code assign kala taku SQL message sorry error message SQL ERM insert into error e underscore user e underscore date error underscore code error underscore message values tapre pass kala user data error code error message eguda सब values tar hala. When an exception is trapped in the when others exception handle, you can use a set of generic function to identify those errors. The example in the slide illustrates the value of SQL code and SQL ERM assigned to variable, and then those variable being used in a SQL statement. You cannot use SQL code or SQL ERM directly in SQL statement. Instead, you must assign their values to local variable and then use the variable in the SQL statement as shown in the following example. With the variable error number and error message, then the same jinso मोर खाली एठी से पास कला कोन SQL error message जो पास कला substring तार SQL ERM पास कला माने message शो करबो then error code टा भी शो करबो बुझला.
Yes, sir.
Tapping user defined exception, declare declarative section, raise executable section, reference exception handling section. Name of the exception, explicitly raise their exception by using the raise statement, handle the raised exception. PLSQL enable you to define your own exception depending on the requirement of your application. For example, you may promote the user to enter a department number, define an exception to deal with error condition in the input data, check whether the department number exit. If it does not, you may have to raise the user defined exception. PLSQL exception must be declared declarative section of a PLSQL block, raise explicitly with raise statement, handle the exception section, right? Tapping user defined exception, declare कला से v underscore department number 500 से pass कला से तेरे value से v underscore name bracket to testing से pass कला. Then e underscore invalid underscore department exception ना से declare कला. Begin update department रे update करिवा, update department set department name equal to vname मोर जहाँ भी मु देइछि टेस्टिंग सेटा मोर डिपार्टमेंट नेम को अपडेट हबो एंड मोर डिपार्टमेंट आईडी रे डिपार्टमेंट नंबर रो वैल्यूटा मोर अपडेट हबो. तापरे एटा अपडेट हबो इन केस तापरे से एक्सेप्शन टाको देइछि इफ एसक्यूएल परसेंटाइल नॉट फाउंड, जदि मोर से एई भलिया डाटा मोर जदि से टेबल रे जदि फाउंड न करि पाला ताले रेज e underscore invalid underscore department and if commit exception when e underscore invalid underscore department then dbms dot underscore dbms underscore output dot put underscore line no such department id, right? say department माने से कोन करछि जे ए जो डिपार्टमेंट आईडी टा अछि ए डिपार्टमेंट को आईडी को बेस करी तुमको एटा से अपडेट करिया पे कहिछि, डिपार्टमेंट नेम टा को अपडेट करिया पे कहिछि. जति मोर ए आईडी टा मोर से टेबल रे से कॉलम रे जदी से आईडी टा ही नथिबो ताले मते एई एरर टा शो करियो. बुझला?
Yes, sir.
To tap a user defined exception by declaring it and raising it explicitly, declare the name of the user defined exception within the declarative section syntax exception. The syntax exception is the name of the exception. The use the raise statement to raise the exception explicitly within the executable section. The syntax is raise exception. In the syntax exception is previously declared exception. Number 3, reference the declare exception within the corresponding exception handling routine. For example, the block shown in the slide updates the department underscore name of a department. The user supplies the department number and the new name. If the supplied department number does not exist, no rows are updated in the departments table. An exception is raised and a message is printed for the user that an invalid department number was entered. Note that use the raise statement by itself within the exception handler to raise the same exception again and propagate it back to the calling environment. Propagating exception in a sub block, declare color, declare statement se rahibo, it is a variable declare kartibo. Then तापर से exception ना declare कला pgram exception underscore init function use कला से तरह से pass कला तमरो e underscore integrity तापर तारा code टा pass कला. Begin for c underscore record in employee underscore cursor loop begin select update state SQL statement तमे दबो select statement भी देछि and update statement भी देछि. तापर से check करछि if SQL not found then raise error number टाकू रेस कर. जदि मोर से डाटा रे जदि से खोजि न पाला ताले से एरर नंबर टाकू से शो कर. देन तापर से इंटीग्रिटी एक्सेप्शन टाकू हैंडल करछि. बुझला?
Yes, sir.
Subblock can handle an exception or pass the exception to the enclosing block. When a subblock handles an exception, it terminates normally. Control resume in the enclosing block immediately after the subblock end statement. However, if a PLSQL raise an exception and the current block does not have a handler for that exception, the exception propagates the successive enclosing a block until it finds a handler. If none of these block handles the exception, an unhandled exception in the host environment results. When the exception propagates to enclosing block, the remaining executable action in that block are bypassed. One advantage of this behavior is that you can enclose statement that require their own exclusive error handling in their own block, while leaving more general exception handling to the enclosing block. Note in the example that the exception no underscore rows and integrity are declared in the outer block. In the inner block, when the no underscore rows exception is raised, PLSQL looks for the exception to be handled in the subblock. Because the exception is not handled in the subblock, the exception propagates to the outer block when PLSQL finds the handler. Raise underscore application underscore error procedure. The syntax is raise underscore application underscore error number ରହିବ, message ରହିବ, then तार boolean factor ରହିବ true or false. You can use this procedure to issue user-defined error message from the store subprogram. You can report error to your application and avoid returning unhandled exception. Use the raise application raise underscore application underscore error procedure to communicate a predefined exception interactively by returning a non-standard error code and error message with raise underscore application underscore error. You can report error to your application and avoid returning handled exception. In the syntax, is error number is a user-defined user-specified number for the exception between 20,000 and 20,999. Message is the user-defined user-specified message for the exception is character string up to 2048 byte long. True or false boolean factor jota is an optional boolean parameter. If true, the error is placed on the stack of previous error. If false, which is default, the error replaces all previous errors. Raise underscore application underscore error procedure is used in two different places: executable section and exception section. Returns error condition to the user in a manner consistent with the other Oracle server error. The raise application underscore error procedure can be used in either is executable section or the exception section of PLSQL program, or both. The return error is consistent with how the Oracle server procedure a predefined, non-predefined, or user-defined error. The error number and message are displayed to the user, right?
Yes, sir.
It is in the past class. Declare begin भितर से declare form use करा delete form use करा delete form employee where manager ID equal to v underscore manager a variable टा मोर already declare हेतु पूर्व, right? तो सेठी pass. Then if SQL not found when raise application error number दला, this is not a valid manager, right? तो जो manager जो value टा तम variable भितर store करतो सेटा तमरो employee table ले सेटा नहीं. Police is order so. Then exception section, the exception it out tomorrow executable section, it out tomorrow exception section, right? Exception section when no data found when then raise underscore application underscore error code the manager is not a valid employee. The slide shows that the raise underscore application underscore error procedure can be used in both the executable and the exception section of a PLSQL program. Here is another example of using the raise underscore application underscore error procedure. Declare e underscore name exception begin delete from employee where last name equal to hangings. If SQL not found, then raise and e underscore name, and if exception when e underscore name then raise underscore application underscore error code dala this is not valid eta hoche error message ta se pass kala
Yes, sir.
कहलो you can trap any error by including a corresponding handler with the exception handling section of the PLSQL block. True or false?
True.
आउ ताले आउ कोन क्लास करे हे गेल त चलला से चैप्टर स्टोर प्रोसीजर असला एटा काली पडिबा
Yes, sir.
introducing store procedure and function
Thank you.
practical oda बहुत उडा रहि गेलानी